Grabe, ang daming snacks. I don't know. Oh! Okay. Oh my god. Hey Skye subscribers, welcome or welcome back to another vlog. So today is June 23, Wednesday, 9:15 a.m. And as you can see, wala ako sa bahay ngayon. Meron kaming pinuntahan. So this is kinda a car setup vlog. And for today's video, I'm going to show you guys the things that I got from SHOPEE. And here's TJ. Say hi!
Hello!
Wow! Pogi. Wait, I think bababa na lang muna ako guys. Kasi doon na lang ako mag-vlog sa labas. Okay guys, bumaba na lang ako sa car kasi super, para wala nang distractions and everything. Aside from showing you guys what I got from SHOPEE, I'm also gonna be cleaning or like arranging lang siguro the stuff here sa sa room na to kasi wala naman din akong ibang magawa. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. But before that, I'm gonna show this to you guys. This is the car mount holder from FAQS. I don't know how to pronounce it. Pero parati ko to nakikita sa mga vlogs ni Rai. So si Rai talaga yung nagputol sa akin ito. Actually, maraming vloggers na ang gumagamit ng car mount holder na to kasi maganda daw. So, oh my god! We're gonna give it a try. Ay, okay. Okay, so ganito lang siya, guys. Tapos, na-fold niyo siya. Foldable car holders for mobile phones. It is easy to collect or stick. Ilalagay mo lang siya. I think headboard yung tawag dun sa sa harapan ng car. Okay, let's say headboard, yung black thingy. Then ilalagay niyo siya doon. Pwedeng flat or you can fold it like that. You can put your phone, your camera here. So, ito yung ginagamit ng mga vloggers, guys. All the things that I've mentioned will be linked down below. The next one is this simple wireless charger. I'm pretty sure wala tong adapter. Okay. Oh, bango. This is how it looks like. Super classy. Bakit blurred? Oh, by the way, look at my nails. Parang summer vibes siya. So, yan. Charan! Colorful kasi summer vibes. Summer na ngayon. So, yeah. Anyway, ito yung wireless charger. It comes with a cord. So, you just have to plug it in right here. Tuck! And then, put your phone dito. Charan! Actually, nasubukan na namin to kanina. Pero since ngayon, wala kaming adapter. Hindi namin siya magagamit. This one is a cable. Para sa, for the power bank. Maganda kasi itong quality ng, ng charger nila. Mga stuff or mga techie stuff actually. So, yup, that's all we got from FAQS. The next thing that we are gonna be unboxing today is the Dirma Wireless Might Vacuum Cleaner. So, pwede to sa bed, sa car, sa sofa, etc. Or kung saan man yung gustong gamitin. Okay, so, first thing, we have here the, I don't know what this is. Basta meron siyang mga accessories for the vacuum. And then, meron ding brush. More brushes. Ito yung charger sa pinaka-mismong vacuum. And then, for the vacuum itself, super excited kasi maganda daw to. And, siya. Oh, we also have a manual right here. We are gonna be reading that later or never. Ooh. Maraming nagre-recommend nito. I think I also saw Ashley, Sandrine Yap using this one. So, okay. Wow. Okay. Gaganyan mo lang siya, guys. So, this is cordless. Pag i-charge mo siya, andito yung parang charging port. This one is the power on button. Tapos, eto, para matanggal siguro, para matanggal tong, parang merong filter or something. It also has an ultraviolet clean my technology. that cooperates with the large suction, deep penetrate to kill mite bug on your bed. Keep your bed clean and comfortable at all times so that it can give you a good sleep. Diba? Kasi sa bed natin, guys, marami talagang mites. Even if we keep on changing our bed sheets and stuff, malaking tulong talaga yung vacuum kasi siya yung nagkukuha ng mga ganun, mga mites, mga alikabok and stuff. Kasi hindi naman natin yung nakikita yung mga alikabok, diba? Don't worry, guys, because I'm gonna link all the products that I've mentioned earlier down in the description box. Para if you guys want to buy, you can buy from there and para hindi na kayo mahirapan maghanap. So we are gonna be cleaning this bed. Okay, guys, so everything's clear. Gagamitin na natin tong vacuum para ma-review natin if effective ba talaga siya or what. Pero, wait, hindi ko pa siya na-try. Oh! So, matetest na talaga natin kung effective ba tong cordless vacuum na to and kung gaano kadami yung alikabok / dust mites sa bed na to. So, yes, without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, ganun na kadami yung nakukuha niya na mga alikabok and stuff. Okay, this is the moment of truth. And let's see how dirty it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna clean this first and I'll be right back. This is everything that we got sa bed na yun. Grabe, super dirty. Super easy to clean. There, it's clean now. You can use it again. Then this one too, we have to clean this. Okay, then after cleaning it, ilalagay mo na lang yung filter again back to its place. There you go. Tadaan! Okay, let's go back in. Okay. This Derma vacuum is a 10 out of 10 for me. So, lilinisin ko pa yung ibang beds. I will film it later para makita nyo naman. Okay, so we're done cleaning this bed na and the Derma wireless mite vacuum cleaner did a really good job kasi super satisfying din to look at the dirts here kasi pumapasok siya dito, so every time na nagba-vacuum ako nakikita ko kung ano yung mga nakukuha niya and yan, nakuha naman niya yung mga mga alikabok kasi ilang times ko siya ginaganon, so I believe nakuha niya yung mga dirt, although sa eyes natin, in our naked eyes, para siyang walang diba, walang like alikabok, walang mites and stuff. Pero you know, from time to time, we really have to clean our beds kasi dito tayo humihiga. And having a dirty bed can also cause breakouts. So that's why it's really important to clean your bed once in a while. Even if you keep changing bed sheets, pero the bed itself mismo, meron pa rin talagang mga alikabok or mga dust mites dyan. So yeah, this is a 10 out of 10 for me. Okay, so we're done cleaning the bed already and it's super satisfying to see all the dust go inside this filter kasi every time I vacuum, nakikita ko kung anong hinihigop ng vacuum niya. So, this vacuum is a 10 out of 10 for me. And I can't wait to clean all the other beds kasi I feel like it's very effective. And plus, this is super affordable lang, guys. It's like less than 5,000 pesos lang. Plus, it's a wireless vacuum cleaner. Kasi diba, sometimes it's hassle na merong cord na sticking around or merong wire. Kasi you can't really be flexible of using it. Yung mga, wow! Wow! Ang dami, sis. Okay, wait. How am I gonna arrange this? We have noodles, junk food, marshmallows.